Yesterday I went to Mr. DIY and this is what I picked up. So these are the few things that I really needed, all the things that were cute and I thought I should have it. Not particularly necessary purposely, but they were just cute. In case you don't know what Mr. DIY is, it's like a cheap Miniso slash stationery slash little bit of utility stuff which is really cute and बहुत cheap price में मिल जाता है, but not durable. The quality is not that good. But let's just dive into what I got. पहली चीज जो मैंने ली वो थी ये rubber band का set. So girls cannot have too many rubber bands. I just used rubber band to tie my hair while sleeping. So I just needed new fresh rubber bands that I got, and also this clip. So मैं ये clip use भी नहीं करती, but you know when you just want to do little bit of like this दोनों side से लेके you just clip your hair strand. So उसमें cool लगता है, so I got that. Next up are these pens. पहले भी मेरे पास ये set of 3 था and they are so adorable, cute, and the quality is also good. ऐसा नहीं है कि वो चलते चलते खराब हो जाए कुछ. I really used it through and through, and I got myself a backup now. The first thing that I picked up the moment I entered the store was this glass or mug, whatever you want to call it. Basically, it is steel inside, so I really wanted to carry my hot coffees with me for my classes, and this will keep that warm. Also, this was very inexpensive. It's pink in color. थोड़े से dents आए, मतलब थोड़े से scratches आए हैं इसके ऊपर, but ठीक है, it's so cheap that it's okay, it's fine. Then I also got a pair of 3 socks, winters shoes. Again, I need socks. Ankle socks मुझे अच्छे. I don't like when you can see the socks, so ankle socks are the way to go for me. Now I have a little bit of jewelry for you guys. So I picked these 3 neck pieces for me. First up is this beautiful necklace with just a blue stone center me as a pendant. Very simple, very minimal. It was I think for 51 or 49 rupees. And here you go. This is so beautiful, bow detailed heart-shaped necklace. Now next up is also very similar with the heart key thingy. I really like the pattern. I really like the design actually. So last day जब मैं चेकआउट करने वाली थी वहाँ पे उन लोगों ने बहुत सारे ये सेंटेड रूम फ्रेशनर्स रख रखे थे, फिर आपके डिफ्यूजर्स रख रखे थे. I do not know डिफ्यूजर्स कितना लास्ट करेंगे, so I just picked this one up. This was the English Rose scented sachet. Next up is extremely special. I'm really happy that I picked these up, and especially मुझे दिखाइए. These are the pair of chopsticks that I got, and they are pink and white. Of course, damn cute. I really wanted to start using my chopstick skill a lot more to refine it. Now मेरे घर की ट्रे टूटी हुई थी, बहुत दिनों से टूटी हुई थी, months I would say, but I was not just buying. I don't know why. I was just not getting the time. So I got this tray from them. This is big tray, and the thing is, इसका छोटा size भी था, which was for 270 or something rupees, and this one is for 170 rupees. Like it was on the slash sale kind of situation. उस पे नहीं था, छोटे वाले size में नहीं था, but बड़े वाले में size में था, तो मैंने बड़े वाला ही pick कर. Last thing that I bought is so beautiful, and it was so aesthetic that I thought, okay, fine, I will use it in my videos. Is this tray? It's like wooden tray, and I really, not wooden, like bamboo trays, I don't know what you call these, but this is so stunning. And I can keep my lipsticks, or I can have my random lip combo of the day isme hi, or I can just store a bunch of different things here. But stunning piece, I love. So yeah, that's it. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, then do like this video.